Imagine being 5 months behind on rent, drowning in credit card debt, and still thinking everything is fine. Sounds crazy, right? Well, today we're diving into the story of someone who did just that, and what we can learn from their mistakes. Whether you're struggling with debt or just want to avoid financial pitfalls, this video is for you. Let's get into it. Meet Julia, a 27-year-old customer service manager from Nashville. On the surface, she seems like your average young professional. But when we dig deeper, we find a shocking lack of financial awareness. Julia has over $10,000 in credit card debt, is 5 months behind on rent, and yet she insists everything is under control. How did she get here? And more importantly, what can we learn from her story? Julia's biggest problem isn't just her debt, it's her attitude. When asked about her credit card debt, she shrugs it off, saying, "It's not that big of a deal." But here's the truth: ignoring your financial problems doesn't make them go away. In fact, it only makes things worse. Julia's lack of understanding about interest rates, minimum payments, and the long-term consequences of debt is a recipe for disaster. Let's talk about consequences. Julia is 5 months behind on rent, which means she's at risk of eviction. And if that happens, her credit score will take a massive hit, making it even harder to rent in the future. But it doesn't stop there. Her credit card debt is growing every month due to high interest rates, and without a solid plan, she could be stuck in this cycle for years. Here's the hard truth: Julia's carefree attitude is putting her future and her child's future at risk. As a parent, financial discipline isn't just about you, it's about providing stability for your family. The host of the Financial Audit didn't hold back, calling out Julia's unrealistic payment plan and urging her to take responsibility. It's a wake-up call we can all learn from. So what can you do to avoid ending up in Julia's situation? First, face your finances head-on. Create a budget, track your spending, and prioritize paying off high-interest debt. Second, educate yourself. Understand how interest works, the importance of credit scores, and the long-term impact of your financial decisions. And finally, take action. Start small, but start today. Julia's story is a cautionary tale, but it doesn't have to be yours. Financial freedom is within reach if you're willing to take control of your money and make smart decisions. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more tips on building a better financial future. Remember, the first step is always the hardest, but it's also the most important. Let's get started.